Welcome back, everyone. I'm glad you're here because today's discussion could easily be the most important Kaspa breakdown you'll hear this year. Before you even think about skipping ahead or clicking away, pause for a moment. What I'm about to share doesn't just cover surface-level updates. It builds toward a revelation at the end that ties everything together. If you leave early, you'll miss the hidden detail that could change how you view Kaspa's future entirely. Now, let's dive in. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in crypto. Across the crypto world, one name keeps coming up: Kaspa. Even accounts like CryptoBoy2016 have become memes in themselves because they won't stop talking about it. People are joking he must secretly run Kaspa because of his constant bullish updates. But can you blame him? We are still ridiculously early in this project's life cycle, and the ripple effect it's preparing to unleash hasn't even hit the wider market yet. Crypto's biggest opportunities rarely appear during hype cycles. They sneak in quietly while fear and doubt dominate. Right now, that's exactly the stage we're in, and it's the perfect setup for those paying attention. First, some breaking news. Kaspa was recently added to DexScreener. And the reaction wasn't just positive, it was explosive. Discord groups lit up with chatter, people verified themselves as genuine participants, not bots, and chain listing channels saw a flood of activity. This wasn't artificial hype. It was genuine, grassroots energy. Anyone who's been in crypto for a while knows the difference. Real communities push projects forward while pump and dump coins fizzle out overnight. Kaspa is clearly in the first category. Well-known researcher Pum Polinsky has hinted we're on the edge of a Kaspa breakout. With the price holding around 7.8 cents, the setup is forming. Analyst Casey Sloanall shared something brilliant that many retail traders are overlooking. Instead of only tracking Kaspa against the US dollar, they're monitoring liquidity rotation directly from Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana into Kaspa. They do this by charting pairs like KasBTC, KasETH, and KasSol, literally visualizing whether money is flowing into Kaspa from the giants. That's not basic TA, that's high-level strategy. The truth is, most traders ignore these shifts, and that's exactly why they miss life-changing moves. Now let's talk adoption. Kaspa's Kasplex Layer 2 just launched, and the numbers are mind-blowing. In the first 24 hours, it processed 22,000 transactions and onboarded 2,521 unique addresses. Read that again. Over 22,000 transactions on day one. For a project still being called undervalued, that is staggering. These aren't just vanity stats. They prove demand exists, and people are ready to use this tech. Community voice Kaspa girl, Katrine, recently shared an analysis that paints a very bullish picture. After August's correction, weaker investors exited, leaving stronger hands in play. Key support at 73 cents held firm, and volume spikes are appearing alongside green candles. Instead of a desperate bounce, the chart looks like a spring being compressed, ready to snap upward with force. The Kaspa Onion account revealed usage data from the Kaspa.com Layer 2 marketplace, and it's undeniable. People are actually using the network. This isn't just hype or speculation. It's functional adoption, and that is exactly how you separate a passing trend from a genuine blockchain ecosystem. Derivatives markets are another major signal. According to Analysts, Kaspa futures are seeing surges past 7.7 cents, with more than $56 million in trading volume within 24 hours. Platforms like Bybit, MXC, Binance, BitGet, and Gate are all reporting serious action. Whales are moving tens of millions across exchanges, and let's be real, they don't move money without a purpose. This is heavy positioning for something bigger. One Kaspa supporter put it best: this moment is a gift of timing. Most of the market doesn't even know Kaspa exists. Later, when FOMO hits, people will be chasing green candles. But you're hearing about it while the window of opportunity is still wide open. Analyst Mitchell Lim drew an interesting comparison. Kaspa's community today resembles Cardano's community before its breakout. Remember what ADA did in the last cycle? If the total crypto market cap climbs to $7 trillion this cycle and Kaspa captures just 4% of that liquidity, its valuation could hit $280 billion. That translates to around $10.47 per Kas. And if Kaspa takes 10%, let's just say those numbers become life-changing. But let's keep it balanced. Critics like Atomic Devils point to issues like a declining hash rate, minor profitability challenges, and concerns about developer commitment long-term. These are real points that shouldn't be brushed aside. Yes, Kaspa's bullish case is strong, but ignoring risks is how people get wrecked in crypto. It's always smart to consider both sides. Here's where things get spicy. Eric Trump recently predicted Bitcoin could hit $1 million, but Ivan Ivanov quickly responded suggesting Eric should study Kaspa before making predictions. Why? Because Kaspa combines Bitcoin's security, Ethereum's programmability, and Solana's speed, all under an energy-efficient proof-of-work system with optical mining tech on the horizon. That's a unique mix no other project can match. The most game-changing development? Smart contracts are officially live on Kasplex Layer 2. And this isn't just a check-the-box feature. Kaspa now supports EVM compatibility, meaning Ethereum developers can move their apps here easily, add in ZK rollups, KRC20 token support, and microtransaction capability, and suddenly Kaspa has the full toolkit for mass adoption. Since mid-August, Kaspa's chart has mostly been consolidating between 7.7 and 7.8 cents, with dips down to 7.27 quickly bought up. Resistance sits between 8.2 and 9 cents, while support holds around 7.6 cents. In other words, this is textbook accumulation. Bull case, break resistance at 8.2 to 9 cents, and we're heading toward 10 cents and beyond. Base case, range bound between 7.5 and 8.5 cents as builders keep building. Bear case, lose 7.6 cents, retest 7.3, or possibly 7 cents before a bounce. Now here's the part I told you not to miss. After looking at all these puzzle pieces, Layer 2 adoption, EVM compatibility, derivatives volume, whale accumulation, and liquidity rotation, it becomes clear Kaspa isn't just setting itself up for a short-term rally. It's quietly positioning itself as the bridge of the blockchain world, a proof-of-work foundation with Ethereum's programmability and Solana's scalability. While other chains fight for dominance, Kaspa may become the hidden link that connects ecosystems together. And if you're hearing this now, you're still early. To wrap this up, Kaspa has moved beyond being just another coin. It has real adoption, real innovation, and real potential. Of course, risks exist, but the setup here looks like something rare. A project that can bridge gaps in the crypto ecosystem while rewarding those who got in before the crowd. So the question is, will you recognize the opportunity before it becomes obvious to everyone else? Thanks for watching. Like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and hit subscribe if you want more real-time updates, moves, market trends, and hidden gems.